All right, welcome back to another episode of Eating in the City. Thank you all so much for joining us. We thank you all who has liked, shared, commented, subscribed to our channel. We truly appreciate it. This week, actually today's Labor Day. I was going to say Memorial Day. Yeah. Today is Labor Day, so we want to say Happy Labor Day to all the laborers out there, all those, working individuals. So we want to thank you for your continued work. Today, since we're actually in Miami on Labor Day, and those of you who's following the news will know that Hurricane Dorian is looming over the Bahamas right now. So first and foremost, we want to say, prayers to the Bahamian people. We have family living in Bahamas, or those who were born, there and maybe living here. So that's Bahamas is very close to and near dear to our hearts. But since we can't be outside, really, we decided to bring outside to us. Yes. So today we have a picnic. Y'all want to go ahead and introduce or say what we have?
Yeah, so we have hamburgers and hot dogs. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just bring it up a little bit. Hamburgers and hot dogs. And we have
baked beans.
Yeah, Bianca's famous baked beans. And we have
potato salad.
Yes. Oh, and chips and just drinks and
stuff. So typical picnic food.
Yeah.
And then in here we have the ketchup. We have some mayo. We have mustard. And of course you can't have a picnic with a little something brown in your cup. This is just cola, don't worry. So we're going to go ahead and say a quick prayer. You know how we do. Lord Jesus, bless the food in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Amen. Now let's get to the grubbing. Hands are washed.
Hands are washed.
All right.
You want to pass potato salad?
So sorry y'all, we didn't assemble it beforehand because
everybody like their
nice and fresh,
and everybody like their hamburgers different ways. Hot dogs different ways. So we just want to be able to everyone to make their own hamburgers and our hot dogs. So like for me, I'm gonna put my baked beans on my hot dog. So
I am too.
Oh, you are too.
I am too. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, let me get some. Let me get some of these potato salad.
Hot diggity dog.
Here you go.
So all you gotta do is pass me some of that good old hot dog over there.
You want to pass the hot dog to you? Let me get a fork.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. You want hot dog?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So yeah, I made the potato salad. And Miss B made the baked beans.
Of course.
Do you already have some potato salad?
Can I get some ketchup and mustard?
Ketchup and mustard. Yeah.
We need
that was my nephew, guys. So we're not gonna act like he didn't just jump in here.
Oh, you did a spoon?
It's like a fork or something to get the mayo.
Okay, here.
No. Oh,
here.
Spoon? Okay. Okay, so let's see what we got here.
And please don't forget to hit the notification button.
Yes.
So you can see when all our videos.
She make really good baked beans.
A chili dog.
Yeah, I'll tell you how it is this time because I'm dieting. So.
I don't know.
You're what?
Yeah, I'm going to start
dieting.
Oh, okay. That was really good. Good job, sis.
Thank you.
Potatoes are really good. Not too watery. Not too dry.
Yeah, I didn't make it so super creamy today.
But it's still good. It's still really good.
That is good.
What?
That's potato salad.
I told you it's good.
I made it earlier today, so the seasoning settled.
No, it's good.
You know, put my baked beans on your hot dog.
You see?
No baked beans on hers.
Not that. I I get full fast now, so I have to pace myself.
Well, we'll have it on there.
Let's go.
How are they?
So important.
Girl, you need a...
No, I'm just you need to put them baked beans on that hot dog.
You're missing out. Pass me the ketchup, please.
I'm gonna do one.
You take another bite.
And the mayo after you take that bite.
Here.
This is what.
Remember last video how I told you all about the ketchup and the mayo? That's how you do it. You do it like that. Then it becomes like an orangey sauce. And that flavor, it's just so great together. Yeah, let me get a tomato.
Yeah, you have to have tomatoes on our.
Yeah, it adds to the juice, the flavor.
Let me get a bun and hot dog over there.
A hot dog?
Yeah. I need to stop.
Hurricane Dorian ain't stopping no show.
Not at all.
Dorian.
Dorian.
The girls ain't Hurricane Dorian, Lord.
Not Darian. Dorian.
Hurricane Dorian. Yeah, no, I got that. It's really good.
Ooh. That hit that chest right there. I need bell peppers though.
It's really good.
Gotta make it up. Ooh, that hamburger's good.
Oh yeah? So you
But let me
forgot
get
about you forgot about the hot dog.
But somebody let me get a hot dog. I talk about eat this these baked beans now. Let me eat these baked beans.
That hamburger's so flavorful.
Now I gotta take that hamburger too. Thank you.
I made the hamburgers too, y'all. You could tell who's the cook in your family, right?
And you can tell who likes to eat.
The cook.
Right? Because she can eat.
I'm sure they know that by now.
Yeah. Sorry, I take forever to eat, but I'm a really slow eater.
What does she need?
A spoon of baked beans.
You need this?
Yeah, I need a spoon.
Oh, just scoop it.
I didn't want to
Reach over. Let's do it, girl.
Everything is good.
I want another hot dog.
That's why I took mine. And trust me, I am not exaggerating.
Ooh, Lord.
She full.
Y'all, back in the day, I would have gobbled these things. You know how Patrick was on SpongeBob? He ate all of them.
No, we don't know.
It's an episode where he ate all sucked up all the food from Squidward one day, and it was so funny. I used to be like that, gobble this table down, but Lord. But I'm just trying to bring sexy back, so y'all.
You bringing it too.
Oh, what?
Hot dog bread. Pass me a hot dog bread. Hot dog bun. Thank you. Give me a sip.
Hello?
She don't drink up all.
That's why she's super full.
Almost out yet. Okay. So we getting our hamburger. I'm getting my hot dog, another hot dog. I got 2 hamburgers here waiting for me, but
you getting your hot dog, another hot dog.
I'm getting a hot dog, even though I got 2 hamburgers waiting on me.
You have to try the hamburger though.
I know, but the hot dog was so good with the baked beans. I just want to enjoy that again. Get a double take on that one. Bianca got to get this recipe.
Ooh. When I got it,
tell them how they made it.
We got it from someone.
Give her a shout out.
I gotta give a shout out to my boo, Chanel. That's my friend and my goddaughter's mother. She actually made some delicious baked beans for me when I had my son. So in every cookout, her whole family know how to cook. Like, I never been to a party, the entire family, every dish was good. And so there's some secret ingredients. I'm not going to give y'all everything, but basically it's Bush baked beans, but you can use any baked beans, but you know, Bush, ground beef, and you can put, you know, anything that you like to put in your baked beans. A lot of people put different things. Some people put barbecue sauce or sweet mustard or something to that effect. Dress it up to your liking, and remember, it's yours, you know, so you can do whatever you want. So, you know, put a little sweetener to it if you want to make it a little bit sweet. So it's up to you.
Okay.
So just ground beef, the canned beans, and sweetener. Oh,
And the secret ingredient.
well, she's not telling the secret ingredient.
I know. That's why I call it secret ingredient.
No, I was for the people who want to recreate it.
Okay,
Those
gotcha.
are the only 3 things that they need.
Yeah, basically.
Okay. Well, for my potato salad, it's not a secret ingredient. Boiled potatoes, whatever you like. The russet potatoes, red potatoes, it doesn't matter. Boil the potatoes. Boil the eggs. Chop up the potatoes. Chop up the eggs. Chop up some onions. I put green bell peppers. Oh, excuse me. But you can do the tricolor if you want. It's just limited funds. So the green bell peppers. And then once you put it all together, you put your seasoning. You can put the complete seasoning. Pepper. Cayenne if you want a little spice to it. Onion powder, garlic powder. Just however you want to season it. And then you add your mayo. You whip it all together. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. You have some potato salad. Just make sure that you taste it, and then you can add, you know, additional salt for flavoring. But you just taste it, and that's basically it. Like my sister said, it's not super creamy. Oh yeah, I also added some mayo to give it that yellow tinge of color.
Mustard?
I'm sorry, mustard. Mustard, not mayo. And it's not super creamy, but you know, it holds. And enjoy.
And what I made the tomatoes. Isn't it beautiful though? The presentation.
Let me get a burger. Let me try a burger. Ooh. Y'all, this food good, but ooh. I got itis. I got things to do, but I got itis.
This food's good. Hamburger? The hamburger dog.
The hot dog.
Hot dog.
Let me get some.
I can't even get it right.
We just all confused.
Here you go.
After. But I think I have room for one more hot dog.
You got room for it, huh? I'm done.
One more hot dog.
I'm gonna try to get this hamburger in.
Girl.
But this is very filling because of the bread, the beans,
Yeah, it's very
These
filling.
carbs.
We didn't even touch
the
chips.
potatoes. Yeah, we didn't even touch the chips, so.
These carbs is too much.
So, but it's good though.
Next one gotta be keto for me.
Right, yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Next mukbang gotta be keto for me, baby. Keto.
Yeah, right.
Keep that keto over there.
Right.
I need that keto. Y'all can give me some sushi now. Y'all can give me something.
We can do sushi.
Mm-hmm.
We love sushi.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And mind you, don't forget it's a hurricane out there. Like, what time is it? And it's really dark.
Okay, can I get a tomato?
Mm-hmm.
Tomato?
Not one.
Ooh. Yes,
After
Lord.
this, y'all, I'm good. I'm gonna be eating my
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
Yeah, it's a hurricane out there, so everyone be safe.
Yeah.
Those who are on the east coast of Florida, Georgia, just the east coast in general. I know they said that it's supposed to be curving. I'm not sure if it's curved yet. But definitely be prepared for those of you who have time to prepare.
Yeah.
Make sure you have your gas. You know, we're pros at hurricane preparation by now. We've been through Andrew. We've been through Maria, Irma, Wilma, Katrina, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, all of them. We've been through them all.
And I'm Mark, Luke, and John.
Yeah.
But
So we used to.
But yeah, seriously, make sure that you're prepared. Make sure that you get all of the material that you need. Water. Get your water.
Yeah.
Fill up your gas tank. What's some other hurricane tips?
Batteries.
Yeah. Because the last hurricane, we was out of electricity for how many days? Like 10, 11 days? 9 to 10, 11 days?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, imagine no electricity to 11 days.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So it was tough.
Yeah.
It was really tough. So
Some cash.
yeah, you need cash. Batteries, cash.
Mm-hmm.
Charcoal,
Charcoal.
because we from
Or
the
propane
island.
gas. Yeah, we're from the island,
Yeah.
so
We
they
make
dig
things
up a
happen.
hole.
We make things
You
happen.
put the 3 bricks.
Yep.
Some wood from the avocado tree
Yep.
that fell down. And we make full meals,
Yeah,
okay?
we make things happen.
Oxtails, rice, bean
She's
sauce
not
with your sauce supply.
She's not lying.
Like we'll eat good, like regular food.
Yeah.
So that's the beauty of coming from or family coming from, a foreign country.
Yeah.
They know how to survive.
Yeah. True. Very true.
And neighbors look out for each other.
Yeah.
So if you don't have, your neighbor will have.
Yeah.
You share food, come together. It's a community.
Yeah.
So, it's after the storm.
Yeah.
It's a nice experience to be with one another in that way.
Yeah. But yeah, it's definitely it's tough, but like she said, after the storm, that's when you see who supports you, and people come together.
Yeah.
I put a little bit more mayo. Yeah, put a little bit more mayo on my sandwich to be a little
You
juicier.
about to tear it up, huh?
I'm gonna have fun with this one. Yeah.
Don't mind the noise in the back. Baby.
That's Sasha. I met her last week, so she's a little sleepy, but we're gonna keep going. But once again, thank you all so much for liking, sharing, commenting, watching, subscribing. Continue to support us. We're going to continue to bring out, more videos. Continue to entice and tease you with the deliciosities. And, hopefully inspires you to recreate the meals, to go out, and just have a nice fellowship time with your loved ones, your friends, those who are special in your heart. So just continue to watch and enjoy watching us eat.
It's not too dry.
Ooh, yeah, look good.
That's why I put lettuce and the tomato. Like you said, the tomato make it juicier. So it's perfect.
Yeah, they got some of that.
What?
That brown.
You want some of that brown?
The brown.
I want that brown.
I'll pour it for you. We can't show them with the brown here.
Yeah. Maybe let us
To the side.
a little bit. You feel me? So, that burger was good. They sold out that Popeye sandwich. Y'all seen that, right? And you get that.
What you say sold out? Oh no, it's back on.
It came back? You lying.
Yeah, it's back in. It's back. Yeah.
Well, we making Popeyes rich.
Who is we? I didn't spend $1 at Popeyes.
I did buy one sandwich.
Okay.
I did buy one.
You did? Wow.
I did get one.
How was it?
It was good. I'm not gonna lie, it was good. My favorite part, that it was really meaty. Like there was a lot. You would not.
It wasn't doughy. You know how?
No, it was not dough. It was meat. That's what was good about it. Like the sauce is it's okay. The seasoning, it was okay. Just like Popeye meat.
Yeah. That's what I figured. That's what I was like, why they doing all this? Because even and this ain't no shade on Popeyes, because trust me, Popeye's my favorite chicken company. I don't eat the other one, the other alphabet at all, baby. I don't even touch that. And I definitely don't touch the churches. You hear me? I don't touch that, but I'm gonna say Popeyes. I want to know because even the little shrimp, you'll be like, oh, this thing's fired. It all tastes the same. It's just shrimp.
Oh, the batter.
The batter.
It's the same batter.
And it'll be too much batter. Sometimes you don't get the shrimp.
Girl.
That's why I don't buy that. I don't buy that. You don't taste that shrimp.
I don't play with seafood now.
Yeah.
Because some people don't know when stuff's spoiled.
Hello.
And still try to give it to you.
Hello.
Yeah, you can't play with seafood.
Hello.
I get my seafood from the meat store.
From meat store?
Yeah, I don't buy them bagged shrimp.
Oh.
Sorry, not trying to be bougie or anything.
Yeah.
You know, that's just how we grew up. So.
Yep.
I don't even know why I got this last one. I'm full. What about you?
I'm full too.
I'm really full.
Yep.
Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're gonna call it quits right about now.
Yep.
Because I think we need a nap. But thank you so much.
We need a nap.
Once again for watching.
Thank you guys.
Continue to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that great stuff. And we'll continue to bring you those videos. We appreciate all that you do. We appreciate your support and your love. We love you too. God bless.
God bless y'all. Thank you.
Bye-bye.